Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Jamaica's unemployment rate has hit a new record low. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin says the October 2023 labor force survey found that 4.2% of the population of working age was unemployed. This is down from the 4.5% unemployment rate registered for both April and July 2023. In October 2023, there were 1,320,400 employed persons, 85,600 more compared to October 2021. Now, the comparison is being made with 2021 as there was no labor force survey done in October 2022 as a result of the census. Now, Statin says the largest increase in employment by occupation group was in service workers and shop and market sales workers. The largest increases by industry group were in real estate and other business services, along with construction. Meanwhile, Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark says while more Jamaicans are employed, there is a gender disparity.
140,000 new jobs have been created. Employment rate as of October for males was 3.1% and for females it was 5.4%. There continues to be a gender difference in our unemployment rate, a noticeable gender difference, and there's also a difference in the labor participation rate for males and females, a very noticeable difference that females participate in the labor force to a much lesser degree. To take Jamaica's employment numbers much higher, the significant gender difference in labor force participation, the government will have to find a way to address that.
Jamaica is to benefit from over $2 billion or 310 billion Jamaican dollars in Spanish-led tourism investments. Senior strategist in the tourism ministry, Delano Seavright, says work is being done to break ground for some projects this year, creating over 19,000 short-term and long-term jobs.
Have thousands of new hotel rooms, villas, golf courses, farms, employee residences, and so on that are coming on stream. This is multifaceted. It's a very integrated approach to the development of the tourism sector. Of course, there are capacity issues that we had to discuss related to our airports or roadways, the congestion of our roadways. Issues related to labor were pretty much a number one. And of course, issues related to tourism worker training and other related matters were extensively discussed with the Spanish hotel stakeholders.
Let's head to the foreign currency market now. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $156.42. $116.92 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $198.67, while the euro is trading for $172.16. And the JSE index lost 1,231 points today, while the junior market index increased by 21 points. Among the 32 winners were Access Financial Services, MFS Capital Partners, Key Insurance Company, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, and Jetcon Corporation. The 46 losers included Proven Group, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Berger Paints Jamaica, Elite Diagnostic Limited, and Proven Group US dollar shares. Now, 26 stocks closed the session at the same price they started trading this morning. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.